All right, we got one more to record here. We've got the headers in there, and now I want to format them. I want to change their color, I want to make them bold, I want to put a border on the bottom, whatever we want to do. But I'm going to record myself doing this because ultimately later we want to automate it to do it on each of the worksheets. All right, so let's start recording. Back to developer and record macro. All right, we'll call this one format headers. Again, no space. I don't need a shortcut key. I'm going to keep it in this workbook, and we'll say this macro formats the first row headers, yada, yada, yada. All right, I'm going to hit OK. All right, now I'm going to go format them. I'm going to select A1 to F1, go to my Home tab, and we're busy recording here as I'm doing this. Again, Excel's writing it all down, generating the code for us. I'm going to go ahead and make them bold. I'll change their background color. I'm going to go blue. Let's change the font. Whatever you want to do here. Okay, just keep in mind as you're doing this, I add a border to it. Excel's taking notes. It's writing it all down for us. All right, last thing I'm going to do here is I'll click into cell A2 just so I can see my pretty formatting there. You keep going. You can change the font size, change the alignment, whatever you want to automate for each of the worksheets. In this case, for the formatting of the headers. So once you've got that done, last step, I'm done with the macro. I'm going to go ahead and stop it. So I'll go back to my developer tab and I'm going to stop the recording. All right, there we got it. So now I've got two macros. One that adds the headers and one that formats them. Add headers and format headers, the name of these macros. So get these two done. We've really just recorded at this point. But the next step is I now want to go into the VBA code and we're going to write our own procedure to get those two macros, those two procedures, add headers and format headers, to loop through all of the worksheets. All right, so get that done and then jump into the next video.